In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to install a Cotter pin on your weight stack. Here's what you'll need. 2 weight plates, the top plate and a secondary plate, a hammer, your selectorized weight pin, and the Cotter pin. We recommend using a heavy-duty hammer like this 2-pound model. Its larger surface area makes each strike more controlled and effective. Start by positioning the second weight plate, then insert the selector pin to lock the center rod in place. Next, insert the Cotter pin from the tapered end and tap it down with the hammer. Once fully seated, the selector rod will be secure and ready for the next step of your installation.